Hello, my friend. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And if you're watching this video on the day that it releases, I'm also going to be on HSN today. But if you're watching this a different day, it's okay. But one of the items I'm going to share with you coordinates with the items I'm taking on HSN. Yeah, let me just tell you. So first things first, this die set is an amazing value. I was able kind of to piggyback it on my order with HSN to have it come here. And so I was able to get you an amazing, amazing price on these. What am I talking about? Well, here we go. Happy Easter, happy birthday, happy Thanksgiving. You mean the world to me on the back. Thank you. And a whole bunch of little tiny icon dies. Now, what does that look like? That looks like, hang on, let me find it. Here is happy birthday as a cute little ornament. Imagine giving this as a little tag, to, from. Don't you love that? Here's another one, happy birthday as a circle. Now, I designed these to go perfectly with the circle flip-its. So here you go. Here's our circle flip-it. This is on our website now. You probably already have this exact one, right? You have this exact one, straight corners, all that kind of stuff. On HSN, I'm bringing a different one on that's different and limited edition. So just a heads up on that. But this one, look how perfectly those circles fit on there. That's the happy birthday. Here's, oh, and I have another item to show you that we're releasing. Here's another happy birthday. Here, oh, look at this. You mean the world to me. You don't have to drop, you can drop it into other circles. I give you circles, but you can drop it into a scallop circle if you want to. Isn't that fun? Oh, look at these tags. You mean the world to me. Look at how beautiful that is. I absolutely love that. Here's one, happy Thanksgiving. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely just love them. Here's thank you. These tags are just so fun. I could go all day. Now, let's also look at, oh, here's another one. You mean the world to me on that circle. Flip it. Ready? Ding, ding, ding. Hidden panel. There is a video showing you the hidden panel. Oh, and here's another fun one. In our side fold it. Look at this. Thank you. You can drop it in right into that. Oh, isn't that awesome? Now, we're also releasing today Holidays Forever. Now, if you've been around a while, you probably already have our Family Forever, our Family Forever 2, all that kind of stuff. Well, this is the same size, same font, so it's going to coordinate. Remember, I told you there's going to be like 4 or 5 in this series. This one is going to coordinate. So it has happy birthday or happy day, happy anniversary, happy New Year. These are all separate words, so you can have it say different things. Happy Valentine's Day, happy St. Patrick's Day, Easter, Mothers, Fathers, 4th of July, Halloween, Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, winter, retirement, summer, spring, fall, have a great. So you could say, have a great summer, have a great retirement, have a great Thanksgiving, or happy Thanksgiving, happy 4th of July, or have a great Mother's Day. It goes on and on and on. Holidays. So it's kind of cool because the circles are holidays. We have Easter and Thanksgiving on here and birthday. And this one is all about the holidays. Now let's look at some of those. Look at this. Have a happy retirement. Isn't that awesome? Or happy Father's Day, right? So there's gonna be, or have a great summer. You're gonna mix and match it with the other ones from this series, right? And that one, oh, look how cute this one is. Ready? This is another circle flip it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I could do this all day. I really, really could. I could do this all day. My friends, go get them now. The first 24 hours, these 2 items are on our website. They are on, you said it, flash sale. Go check them out. And if you're watching this on July 15th, 2025, go check out HSN because I will be live on there. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.